How to make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. Making a Facebook page for your YouTube channel is fairly simple. You just have to go on about creating a Facebook page based on what your YouTube channel is all about. Now here, let's say this is my YouTube channel. You have the logo, you have some videos, and you have your YouTube channel link and so on. I'll simply come to Facebook, and on the left hand side, I want to simply first of all go to the pages option. You can also create a page from mobile, by the way. Just look for the pages option. Now just click on the create a new page option right there. And from here, you simply want to give your page a name. If you simply want to give it the name your YouTube channel have, you can simply select that. You can basically add a character or category, I would rather say that. And once you've selected the category, then you can choose to add a bio. And on the right hand side, you can see a preview. After that, you can just click the create page button and you can upload a profile photo from your YouTube and you can directly upload them over here and select them, and just like that, your YouTube and your Facebook page will be successfully created. This way you can create a Facebook page for YouTube. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.